our demo on Read Aloud for Other Language. Here we are with a book which is in Danish. Start by clicking on the menu and you can see the option Turn Pages. You can click the Turn Pages with your required option so that you can turn the pages automatically or manually. Now I'm selecting the automatic mode. You can adjust the volume here as per your desired levels. Now I'm clicking Start Reading and it reads the text aloud. It reads the text word by word and the text will be highlighted while it is being read.
Det er beretningen om en lille flok elvere, der pludselig havner langt borte fra deres hjem.
We can click anywhere on the text from where we would like to have the reading.
Vandet spærrer hjemvejen for dem, og de får fjender, der jager dem uden nåde. Men intet kan få elverne til at give op. De vil trodse alle farer og forhindringer for at nå hjem til elverlandet, hvor skoven står grøn.
You can also have the iPad stop reading by just going back to the menu and click Stop Reading option. Thank you.